Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log albums in Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So first of all, what you have to do is access your album. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to find the options like edit profile, my albums, etc. Simply tap on the second option, my albums. Now you'll be led to my albums interface. You'll be able to see all your albums over here. Simply tap on the album that you want to log. Now after doing that, you'll be able to view that album over here. So there is no direct option for logging the album. The key for logging the album is to stop sharing with everyone. If you have shared album with anyone, what you have to do is simply unshare the album with them. After that, the album will only be visible for you. So for that, what you have to do is tap on this option, shared with. Now you'll be able to see the people that you've shared the album with over here. Simply tap on their profile. Tap on all the profiles of the people that you've shared the album with. After that, at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for stop sharing. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here this album will be shared with 0 people. That means now this album will only be visible for you. So like this you'll be able to log the album. So that is how you log album in Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.